Ethan Benton. Okay. Hello, Dr. Rodriguez. As I said, my name is Ethan Benton, and I'm a third-year student attending the University of Georgia. I'm from the small town of Alma, Georgia. It's actually 4 hours south of Athens, deep South Georgia. That's where the southern accent comes from. Um, I'm having to take this class as a prereq for PharmD program. I actually wound up getting accepted to the PharmD program here at UGA last semester. I applied September 19th. Yeah, it was. So um, this is officially my last class that I have to apply to that checklist. So fingers crossed everything's going to go good. As I said in my introduction post, this is not the first course that I've taken with UNE. I'm currently taking a biochemistry course at UNE. I'm actually over halfway done with it. I'm about to take the Unit 3 test, so I really only have one more unit, that test, and a final. And I'll be done, and it has been a really good semester with that. I've really enjoyed it. I enjoy the online, self-paced setup of the classes. It's been really easy to juggle, my workload with the classes that I'm currently taking this semester at UGA and with the UNA classes. It really complements, they complement each other really, really well. I'm taking OChem 2 microbiology with OChem 2 lab here at UGA, so it's been a blessing really in disguise that I wasn't able to get into the anatomy course last semester. I was actually supposed to take it last semester, but UGA only offers one section for some reason, and all the pre-meds, pre-pharms, pre-dentals are all clawing to get into it, so it didn't wind up laying out for me last semester, so here I am taking it at UNE. But I'm sure that it's going to be a good semester, and I really look forward to it. Thank you so much.